Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can save a photo as JPG file in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, this device, via drive, Dropbox, and so on. Make sure you're in the home section. Here you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. Go ahead and click on your project. Once you do that, right here, go ahead and choose a name for your project. Right here, you can choose the width, the height, the PI of your image. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to choose a size for your image. Right here, you're going to find social, print, photo, screen, mobile, and ads. Go ahead and click on any section that you want and choose a size for your image. So I'm going to choose this one, for example, click on create. And then you're going to be right here. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is add your image. You can click on file, click on open, and then choose an image from your computer. For example, I'm going to add this one. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your image. And if you want to save your image, just click on file right here in the top. Then here you're going to find the option to save it. You can save it as PSD, save more. You can export it also. If you click on export, you can export it as a PNG, JPG, WebP, PDF, SVG, GIF, MP4, and here you're going to find some other options. So right now, go ahead and click on export as JPG. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on save, and then your photo will be saved as JPG. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.